Welcome to our English learning session today. We're going to explore an important topic that can help you improve your language skills, while also gaining valuable life lessons. Our focus is on not wasting your life and making the most of every opportunity. Let us begin with a simple question. Have you ever felt like you're not living up to your full potential? Many people experience this feeling, and it's often because they're not making the best use of their time and talents. Time is a precious resource that we can never get back once it's gone. Every day, we have 24 hours to use as we choose. How we spend those hours can make a big difference in our lives and the lives of those around us. One way to avoid wasting your life is to set clear goals for yourself. Think about what you want to achieve in the short term and the long term. Write these goals down and create a plan to reach them. By having a clear direction, you're less likely to waste time on activities that don't contribute to your personal growth and success. Another important aspect of not wasting your life is continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and there's always something new to discover. By dedicating time to learning new skills, reading books, or taking courses, you're investing in yourself and your future. Let's consider the power of small, daily habits. These seemingly insignificant actions can add up to big changes over time. For example, if you spend just 15 minutes a day practicing English, that's nearly 92 hours of practice in a year. Imagine how much your language skills could improve with that consistent effort. It's also crucial to surround yourself with positive influences. The people we spend time with can have a significant impact on our thoughts, actions, and overall life direction. Choose friends and mentors who inspire you to be your best self and encourage you to pursue your goals. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes in your life. Even if you feel like you've wasted time in the past, you can always start fresh today. Every moment is an opportunity to make a better choice and move in a more positive direction. One common way people waste their lives is by constantly comparing themselves to others. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy and prevent you from appreciating your own unique journey. Instead of focusing on what others have or do, concentrate on your own progress and personal growth. Technology can be both a blessing and a curse when it comes to using our time wisely. While it offers many benefits, it's easy to get caught up in endless scrolling on social media or binge-watching TV shows. Be mindful of how you use technology and try to balance screen time with other productive activities. Procrastination is another major time waster that can hold you back from achieving your goals. If you find yourself constantly putting things off, try breaking tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. This can make them feel less overwhelming and easier to tackle. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential for living a fulfilling life. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can significantly improve your energy levels and overall well-being. When you feel good, you're more likely to be productive and make the most of your time. Don't underestimate the power of helping others. Volunteering or simply being there for a friend in need can give your life more meaning and purpose. By making a positive impact on others, you're creating a ripple effect that can extend far beyond your immediate circle. Creativity is another important aspect of not wasting your life. Engage in activities that allow you to express yourself, whether it's through art, music, writing, or any other form of creative expression. This can bring joy and fulfillment to your life while also helping you develop new skills. It's important to find a balance between work and leisure. While hard work is necessary for achieving your goals, Don't forget to take time for relaxation and enjoyment. Burnout can be a significant setback, so make sure to schedule regular breaks and activities that recharge you. Reflection is a powerful tool for personal growth. Take time each day or week to think about your actions, decisions, and progress towards your goals. This self-awareness can help you identify areas for improvement and celebrate your successes. Remember that failure is not a waste of time if you learn from it. Every mistake or setback can be an opportunity for growth and learning. Don't be afraid to take risks and try new things, even if they don't always work out as planned. Gratitude is another key element in living a fulfilling life. Take time each day to appreciate the good things in your life, no matter how small they may seem. This positive mindset can help you stay motivated and focused on what truly matters. As we conclude this session, I want to encourage you to take action. Don't let this be just another piece of information that you hear and forget. Think about one small change you can make today to start using your time more wisely and living a more purposeful life. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing vocabulary and grammar rules. It's about expanding your horizons, connecting with people from different cultures, and opening up new opportunities for personal and professional growth. By combining your language learning journey with a commitment to not wasting your life, you're setting yourself up for success in many areas. Every time you practice English, whether by listening to sessions like this, speaking with others, or reading English texts, you're investing in your future. So let's make a promise to ourselves today. Let's commit to using our time wisely, pursuing our goals with determination, and never stopping in our quest for personal growth and learning. Your life is valuable, and every moment counts. Make the most of it, starting right now. Thank you for joining me in this English learning session. I hope you found it both educational and motivational. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep moving forward. Your future self will thank you for the efforts you make today. Until next time, take care and make every moment count.